y'all? So in today's video, we're going to get an update on my boy Gabe's Corvette. This car has already been on the channel. I already have a review on it, so we're not going to go super deep into it, but he has made some changes, starting with the wheels to these updated LED lights on the front and on the back. I don't remember if he had that chin spoiler on or not, or the canards. And one of the biggest mods that he's added has been this APR wing, and also something under the hood, which you guys are going to see really soon. Besides that, he's also got a new top, which you can't really tell from the outside, but it's cool from the inside. Here, let me open it really quick. So interior, not really different, except for like his shifter. He has the new like suede boot with the shifter, but look at this. He just got this not that long ago. Super clean. From the top you can't really see. See, if you look in, nothing. That's where it's at. That's where the money's at. But let me pop the hood really quick, show you guys what he's done now, which you can tell from the title. But so here's where the money's at. My boy got that Vortec Supercharger. Now he's boosted. This thing is crazy now. But yeah, he installed it at his crib. There was a video that I did on that too. Not detailed installation on the video, so don't watch it if you think it's gonna be step by step. But got this thing on. It's running good. There's definitely going to be some pulls soon, right now, and later part of the video, but we'll go ahead and start it now so you guys can hear some of the revs and how it sounds with the boost, because this thing sounds crazy. So that's how this beast sounds. Crazy. On the floor off outside. Right here blowing like crazy. Alright, so we're gonna hop in. He's gonna take me for a spin now. I've been in the car a few times, but it just sounds really cool from the inside, and it does pull. It's pretty fast. I don't know the exact horsepower numbers, but I know it's up there. So let's go ahead and hop in and take a ride in the new and improved Vette. And that shit spins. No ops. They don't want to see us do pulls.
I do a pull under there, he's gonna come right after me.
Maybe he can catch you. Alright y'all, so that's gonna be it for the video. It was a shorter video today, but it was just a mini update on what he's done to the Vette since the last time we reviewed it, and since the install of the Supercharger. But if you guys liked the video, go ahead and drop a like. If you're new, sub to the channel, and there'll be more cars to come. I'll see you guys in the next video.